There. Hello.
The gentleman there.
Hello. Sir. Yeah. Sir, I'm Raja Babu from Filmy Beat. This question for Kabir Khan and Ranveer Singh both. What are the bouncer movements in the shoot and the scripting level? What are the bouncer movements in the shoot and scripting level?
What are the bouncer movements?
Is your name really Raja Babu? Wow, I love your name, eh? Raja Babu is one of my favorite Hindi movies of all time. His name is Raja Babu. Wow.
Thank you, sir.
Pak chik pak Raja Babu. He does a step also like Raja Babu. Sure? Okay, we'll hear from Kabir sir. Sir, what bouncer moments did you have?
Bouncer moments.
ये तो सर के ऊपर से गया.
You can no. I'll interpret bouncers differently. You can either let the bouncer hit your head, or you can hook it like Chika sir for a six. I think that bouncer moment where we managed to use it and hit it for a six was the moment when we were shooting the scene where Kapil Dev is given the World Cup when he wins on the balcony of the Lords, and we were standing exactly down to the last inch at that spot where he stood 38 years ago. And we had, because there's video footage available of that moment, we had recreated it to the last detail, down to the tie color and the colors of the clothes and everybody. But we had not factored two things that happened. Both were bouncers. As I was about to start filming that scene, I looked to my right and I saw Clive Lloyd, the captain of the West Indies team, suddenly casually stroll onto the balcony and come sit next to me. And I was like, for a moment, I couldn't breathe. And I said, hello, sir. And I said, so would you like to go closer to where we are filming? And he looked at me with a straight face and he said, do you want me to see this cup being given away for the second time? And then finally I was about to call action, and these two ladies come with a trolley with something covered with a velvet cloth, and they've got these white gloves on, and they push the trolley right next to me and they unveil what is below the velvet cloth, and that was the real 1983 World Cup from the museum, and they just pick it up casually and they say, we want you to shoot with this. And I'm like, okay. And I hold that cup, and there's just a feel, the feel of that cup, and I'm stunned, so I just go and give it to Ranveer and I say, action, and Ranveer enacts the scene, and at the moment I say cut, everybody on that balcony broke down and started crying.
Hello sir.
Teared.
Sir, Vishnu garu. అందరికీ నమస్కారం సార్. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. దిస్ ఈజ్ మురళీ శక్తి సార్. 83 సినిమా తీసినప్పుడు 83లో జరిగినటువంటి దాని హోంవర్క్ కానీ క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగున్నాయి, పోస్టర్స్, వీడియోస్. బట్ అక్కడ ఒరిజినల్గా అక్కడ ఏం జరిగిందో సినిమాలో చూపించారా? దేర్ ఈజ్ పాలిటిక్స్ బిట్వీన్ ప్లేయర్స్ అనేది ఈ గేమ్ అయితే విన్ అయిన తర్వాత కూడా బయటపడినాయి కొన్ని సంఘటనలు. దాన్ని మీరు ఏమైనా ఎలాబరేట్ చేశారా? యాజ్ రీస్గా తీసారా? సినిమా పరంగా ఏమైనా ఫ్రీ తీసుకున్నారా?
మురళి గారు ఎవరిని అడగాలి క్వశ్చన్?
తెలుగు చెప్పాగా మీరే
నేను ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేస్తే ఎవరి నుంచి ఆన్సర్ కావాలి?
డైరెక్టర్.
Okay, Kabir ji, Murali ji is asking one tricky political question. You have shown 83 as a victorious story, but we have heard stories about players not being in terms and politics. There were certain rumors and gossips even after the victory. Have you touched any of them?
You cannot be honest to a story unless you show all the layers. And I mean, without giving spoilers, of course we have gone into, because our research meant that we read almost every newspaper article printed in the period when 1983 World Cup was being played, whether it's in London or whether it's in India. And yes, I know what you're referring to, the tensions between superstars of the team and, the dynamics that happen within a team. And yes, again, without giving spoilers, of course, we've touched on everything that changed the dynamic of that game.
Very honest.
Hello.
Neha, can you show questions తీసుకుందాం first? అమ్మా అడగండి.
Vishnu sir.
ఇక్కడ ఉంది మైక్.
On Deccan Chronicle, this idea was born several years ago. I know the metamorphosis that went into, bringing the film it made. But as a filmmaker, weren't you apprehensive that your visibility could be sidelined? Just asking at a personal level.
The people that are associated with the project made me so comfortable that I never felt left out. Either it's Kabir or Ranveer or Subhashish. They've been extremely sweet to me and I felt I'm part of the family. I never felt left out. Last night,
You don't have to feel you are part of the family.
No, I want to quote. Deepika was thanking me saying, Vishnu, you're so generous enough to make us part of the film. So, antakana best compliment untadi. Like, I can't thank God enough for making me part of this film. And we are all happy to give you a great product.
Yeah, wonderful.
Sir, this is Lakshmi Narayana from Studio and News Channel.
You have to sit down.
कपिल जी आपसे एक प्रश्न है मेरा. ऑलरेडी इंडियन स्क्रीन पे धोनी का पिक्चर आया है क्रिकेटर के बारे में. आपको लगता है क्या धोनी से पहले ये पिक्चर आना चाहिए?
Wow.
धोनी से पहले पिक्चर आना चाहिए.
जी.
नहीं, आपको टाइमिंग के बारे में
जो
धोनी
धोनी का पिक्चर रिलीज हुआ है ना सर, ऑलरेडी धोनी का पिक्चर रिलीज हुआ है, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि धोनी से पहले, मतलब धोनी का पिक्चर जो रिलीज हुआ है उससे पहले 83 आना चाहिए?
कोई कंपटीशन थोड़ा है हमारा. There is no competition. I think some of the movie we may come after 20 years also you will ask the same question. जब भी कोई अच्छा चीज आता है उसको एंजॉय करो.
शुक्रिया.
బట్ లక్ష్మీనారాయణ గారు మంచి క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు ఆయన. హీ నెవర్ వాంటెడ్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ టు బి డన్ అట. దట్స్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ ఫార్మోస్ట్. దేర్ ఇస్ నో కాంపిటీషన్ అట్ ఆల్.
हमें लगता था कि
I'll
we are
answer that
quite
question.
young.
Actually, on Kapil Dev, I should be